Shalum, wise daughter of Zion. Breathe deeply. Today, we seek the mind of Yahuwah. In a world of confusion and deception, we walk in the clarity of His Hakmah, wisdom, and the precision of His discernment. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of clarity and conviction, daily for 21 days to navigate life with Shamaim-led insight. 1. I do not lean on my own understanding. In all my ways I acknowledge Yahuwah, and He directs my path. 2. The Ruah of wisdom and revelation rests upon me. I perceive the world through Yahuwah's truth. 3. I possess a discerning heart, able to distinguish between the righteous and the wicked, the truth and the lie. 4. Yahuwah's word is a lamp to my feet and a light to my path, illuminating every decision I make. 5. I am not deceived by the enemy's schemes. My discernment exposes his traps and hidden snares. 6. When I lack Hakmah, I ask Yahuwah, who gives generously, and I receive it by Emunah. 7. My mouth speaks wisdom, and the meditation of my heart is understanding. 8. I walk with the wise and grow wiser, for righteous counsel guides my choices. 9. I choose the fear of Yahuwah over the praise of men, for it is the beginning of all knowledge. 10. My life is built upon the rock of Yahuwah's Hakmah, and it will not fall when the storms come. 'Breathe deeply. Now, speak these truths daily and walk in the light of understanding. Overcome the enemy's confusion with Qadash Hakmah, wisdom, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.